Look who's here.
Oh, you know I'm gonna try to show up.
Look who's here.
Oh, so you got the convertible.
Yeah.
So we can't see your engine.
No, you can't see my engine.
But it's still beautiful, man. It's still beautiful. We know what's inside.
Out here at this carp meet at the country club. We finna walk around, get some video footage, show y'all some of these rides. That's the Callaway. C6 Callaway. Oh shoot, I forgot. Let me lock my glove box because I got some money in there.
I gotta call this guy. Yeah, he called me when I was driving and I forgot. I walked over.
Make my rounds. If I don't get hit by Miata, whatever that is, BMW, I don't even know. Oh man. Wow. Huh. Got an LS3 in the.
It's the base Corvette, and then it's got
Wow.
Oh, I see that every now and then. I see them.
They do even, they have a couple, like the infield, they do the walking miles. See more steps.
You're right. Fully optional inside. Is this black? It is black. Black with the red.
Got the Chevelle.
What a car, huh?
My buddy got one. He got a 70 or a 70. I forget. She's in a 70 or 73. Just like this. But he ain't got no. Oh, you got the 454 in there too. Yeah. In fact, I'm gonna take a picture and send it to him. Thought something was falling on me. That'll mess up your whole day.
Hey, you got your deck little. We put numbers on the side.
I don't even know what this is in here. The Shelby? What is it? It's nice. Nice cars, guys.
Yeah, good.
70 miles an hour.
Nice Camaro.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to Canada tonight.
GTO.
I know. Okay.
Riviera.
Enjoy your evening.
How you doing? You out here by yourself? I know you're not out here by yourself.
Yes.
Say hi. Okay.
Hello.
For real?
Yes.
Oh, okay. This you? Wow.
My car there. This 57, this Bel Air is mine though.
Is this yours too?
I wish.
That's two. You got all of them. Here go, what's their names? These Corvettes, nice.
Right, yeah, the Opti started in 90.
This is nice here. It's a 70? Wow. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
This is beautiful. Wow. Let's look at the yellow one here.
We can get more prints.
Yeah, how many cars do you have coming in?
Oh, geez, you got a
50 is the target.
150.
There we go.
The reason I'm sticking with that is that I probably could get 200.
How you guys doing?
Good. How you doing?
All right, these are guys' cars.
Not me.
This is mine. This is his. He's across the way.
Okay, beautiful. This here
It's mine.
is yours? Oh, wow. What year is this?
1955.
55. LA, huh? I used to have a 54 Pontiac Chieftain that I was,
Chieftain?
yeah, Chieftain.
Nice one.
And it became too, I had it for about 20 years and it just got too much to do. And I ended up selling it. It just,
They had the chief that lit up on the hood.
had to, yeah.
Man, they were cool.
Uh-huh. It was a two-door. Yeah, I hate that I got rid of it.
Yeah, I seen that the show that's on TV.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
He did one of those groups with that. They had that waterfall chrome piece down the front.
Uh-huh.
It was like this much. It was like this. That thing came down the hood. It was a bear to get that thing right. And there was none to be had.
Yeah.
You could just go buy one. You know.
You got the flat. It's a 6 or 8? What was?
It's a 6.
Yeah. Wow.
They made damn chill back in the day. So she's out weeding you yesterday. All weeding.
My mom had dry needling done for her leg.
Is this air? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. They make everything to do everything now, don't they?
I'll support you.
I love the 50s style cars.
Yeah, man.
They just,
So then I'm stripped down, going to shower. How you doing, buddy? Good. How are you? Yeah, you got your 70 shirt on. You got your Corvette here tonight?
Hey, there he is.
how you guys doing?
Okay.
Enjoying this warm weather?
It's nice.
Yeah, finally.
That camera take pictures.
It takes pictures too, video and pictures.
Is that right?
Yeah, the GoPro. Film with underwater and all that good stuff. Yep. Here come a couple of my club members right here, all the vets. Let me get them.
So I just never went back. It was not like, it was one of those non-decisions, you know, I kind of forced into it. Convenient.
Got the 50s Corvette.
can as easily just put a center cap on.
You know there are bathrooms there.
That's what I said.
That's the part. Hey Tom, there's a couple parks down there around. What's going on? I said, they said that's Greer. I said, no, it ain't. The top up, the top down. No, it ain't.
Question. What makes it? I got a C7, but it doesn't sound quite like that. What makes
You gotta have horses. You gotta have a lot of horses. You ain't got enough. You ain't got enough. That's the only way you can do that.
6.2, just like yours. But you got the CO6.
Yeah, this way.
There she go. There they go. There they go. There they go.
Wow.
I think this gonna be my screenshot right here.
Jesse gave you something.
You gonna give me one, man?
You should be. You should have one. What are you talking about?
It's my first time seeing it since you put the wheels on it. I love that.
We can draw fireworks. I love that. That's awesome.
Right, put the door kit on it.
Let me see that flyer once. If I can get a picture of it on.
I got a postcard in the car.
Okay.
Oh, right in my hand.
Okay, this one will work here.
Okay.
This will work fine right here. All right. Now this. Z06. So, how you doing? Sister, how you doing?
Hot? No, good.
Good. You gonna help me wipe off my chrome
Oh, no,
here?
I don't even wipe off now.
You gonna help me wipe off my chrome?
I don't wipe off no car.
What a Camaro at? Don't you got Camaro? You don't got the Camaro? I thought you had a Camaro.
No, I got a vet.
Who had the? Somebody had a white Camaro.
Yep.
I thought. That wasn't you.
No, my husband got a Challenger, but no, I got a Corvette.
That may be what I'm thinking of. Hey, how you doing?
I know, yeah. Girl, I'm gone.
My car dirty. I bought a dirty car. I bought a dirty car to a car meet. So how often they gonna have this, you know?
Jesse just said every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday?
And he said he here every Tuesday.
Oh wow, okay. They said they having this every Tuesday.
So how you like looking? Everything's brand spanking new, so you don't have to worry about furnaces or plumbing or anything.
Jim, you find any differences? Hey, Jim.
I need to. Here we go. I've been looking for this.
Nobody does.
This yours, right?
Yeah.
I've been looking for this car. Talked to you about a year ago about that supercharger. You was up at El Greco's, right? Yeah.
It's got a
Yeah, I want to do the Pro Charger or whatever on my C5.
Pro Charger. Right?
Yeah, on my C5. You got that done here?
No, I had it done in West Bend.
Well, Wisconsin, yeah.
Right.
Okay.
West Bend Dyno.
Oh, okay. Yeah, was it worth it? Is it worth it?
Are you kidding?
Okay, all right. Hey, don't hit me. I'm just, you know.
The answer is hell yeah.
Yeah. So I was gonna do. I know it's gonna cost about $9 grand.
That car there is a sleeper.
Yeah.
Sleeper.
Yeah. That's mine right there, the silver one.
Yeah.
The red stripe. I've been checking into it, so I know it's gonna cost about $9,000, but
It cost me. I did the. I put a Pro Charger in it.
uh-huh.
I put racing headers.
Oh, you got headers on there too?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you moving.
And then I had the pipes put in all the way through. It's a catback.
Uh-huh.
The whole shooting match.
Okay. What's your name again?
Walter.
Walter. I gotta remember that. I was trying to ask Tom. I was asking Tom, who was the guy with the Pro Charger, the black C5? Yeah. He couldn't remember who I was talking about.
Right.
Okay. Walter.
Nobody knows.
Yep, okay. Hey, Tom. You remember one time I was actually about to do with the Pro Charger, the C5? This is the one I was talking about.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I couldn't.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
that thing.
What's his name?
Walter. Yeah.
A lot of C5s out here.
Yeah, it is.
Feel free to read.
I just emailed the bill right there.
Oh, okay.
I need a wipe.
And go for a ride in a Testarossa. Oh, it was so cool.
Get this 60s. Right here.
Сегодня, наверное, день такой. Как Corvette.
Well, you know, you gotta get that. You gotta get those first ones. You can submit.
Сколько разновидностей, действительно история.
Right. You know, yeah. You see him perfect. It's like you know, it's been fucked.
That's right. And that's how mine.
All these Z06 people.
Yeah, you gotta have 06.
I'm gonna make mine a Z06.
Never liked the headlights on these things. Sounds like something like a year old. I was like, now it's the headlights. Now you like it.
But
Presser.
really.